Hello everyone, welcome back to our corporates. Now we are discussing on section 245 of Companies Act 2013, class action suits. Imagine being a small shareholder in a company where the board is mismanaging funds or committing fraud, don't have controlling power, feel helpless. There is a section 245 of Companies Act 2013 to help a small shareholder. This provision allows, along with others in a similar situation, to file a class action suit. So we'll discuss on what is class action suit and how can file it and what right do minority shareholders and depositors have and why this provision. So first we'll understand the class action suit. A class action suit is a legal proceeding where the ground of people with the same or similar grievance file a cause collectively. Because fighting as a group is not only powerful, it is cost effective and time saving too. This concept comes from international legal systems, but India gave it a formal shape through Section 245, especially after the Satyam case, where US shareholders got relief while Indian investors were left empty handed. Section 245 is the answer to corporate wrongs affecting many, a major leap forward in investor protection and corporate accountability. Who can file class action suits? Under Section 245, two class of people can file this class action suits. One is member. Members are shareholders. At least 100 members or 10% of the total member of the members. 10% of the total number of the members, whichever is less, or members holding at least 10% of the issued share capital, provided all the dues are paid. So members, at least 100 members or 10% of the total number of the members, whichever is less, or members holding at least 10% of the issued capital, provided all the dues are paid. And second, depositories. Depositories, at least 100 depositories or 10% of the total number of depositories, or those holding 10% of the value of the total outstanding deposits. This ensures that even minority stakeholders, those with less than 50% of control, can unite and take action. The law doesn't define minority shareholders specifically, but practically they are those with limited voting power influence. Now, where and how to file? NCLT procedure. All class action suits under Section 245 must be filed with National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT. The procedure is filing an application. Affected members or depositories file the petition. Then class certification by NCLT. Tribunal checks if any claims are similar enough to treat as one case. Then public notice. Then hearing and evidence. Then settlement or judgment. So this is not just litigation. It is a collective redressal with legal blocking. What are the grounds for filing? Class action suits can be filed when the affairs of the company are prejudicial to the interest of the members or depositories. Actions violate the company's MOA and AOA. There is a fraud, misconduct, or negligence by directors, auditors, advisors, consultants. So, example, if auditors give a clean sheet despite knowing the financials are manipulated, this is a ground for class action suit. And asking the relief, the members or depositor can seek injunctions to restrain ultra virus acts, declaration of certain resolutions as a void, damages or compensation from directors or auditors or consultants. Orders would rectify orders to rectify wrongful acts or disclosures. This ensures both preventive and corrective remedies. The common use cases of class action suits. Though Solution 245 focuses on company related grievances, globally, class actions are used in consumer protection, securities fraud, employment disputes, environmental damages, data breaches. So, example in US, Equifax faced a massive class action for leaking personal data. So, Section 245 is a game changer. Before Section 245, minority shareholders had a little say, even in cases of massive fraud. Now they have collective legal strength. If it acts as a deterrent to mismanagement. It promotes corporate democracy. It is a tool to restore investor confidence and enforce responsible governance. So hope you are clear. We have two channels, RR Corporates and RR Legal Talks. Please do subscribe so you will not miss any of our latest updates. Thank you.